Welcome to Emammy Group of Schools.
Hello everyone, my name is Travis Mwangi, a grade 5 learner from Emammy Group of Schools, main campus. Today, I am happy to present our sewing project as part of our practical learning activities. In this project, we are going to learn how to use different materials such as needle, thread, pair of scissors, thimble, tape measure, pin cushion, and seam ripper. We are going to learn how to use these materials safely and correctly as we develop important life skills. Now our project is complete. We have learned how to use sewing materials safely and correctly as we develop our creativity, patience, and life skills. Thanks for watching our project. Bye!